Hello and welcome to Mcedam's universe of video game collecting. Today we'll be looking at my DS games and my Game Boy games. So here we go. Danny Phantom, Urban Jungle, is it? Yeah, this was a kind of a boring game. Tony Hawk's Downhill Jam, great game. It was actually really fun. Spyro Shadow Legends, bit boring. Brain Training, I mainly just got this because it was like one of the few games that came out in the early days of the DS. It's fun if you really like, if you want to make yourself feel smarter, but it's not really. It's not Ghostbusters, the video game. It was pants. Spectrobes, I used to love this game. Me and my friends used to play it all the time, but I lost the cards for this, so it's basically unplayable at the moment. Castlevania, Order of Elysia? I don't know. I absolutely love this game. I'm at the castle, but I can't beat Dracula. He's just, yeah. Sega Superstar Tennis on the DS. Yes, I have two versions of this, one on the Xbox and one on the DS. Yeah, it's basically the same game, but this is better graphics and it's portable. So I personally enjoy this more. And now we get to the... Oh, hold on. That's Pokemon Pearl, but it's in the wrong place. That's my version anyway, and that's I really enjoy Pokemon Pearl. It's one of my least favourite Pokemon games, though, in terms of generations. The new Super Mario Brothers, the new Super Mario franchise is a great franchise, but these days it's kind of tainted because they don't do much with the franchise. Legend of Zelda, Phantom Hourglass, great game. And Spirit Tracks, another great game. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. This is the red one for the DS anyway. It's a great game. I love the Pokemon Mystery Dungeon games. Okay, now we get to the more like, as you can see, these are all the Pokemon games. Some of these I think, yeah. Pokemon Link, great game. Pokemon Ranger, another great game. I think Pokemon is my favourite franchise. Yeah, it is my favourite franchise. Pokemon is my favourite video game franchise. I've said it like 3 times already. Pokemon Platinum, this is not mine. This is my brother's, but yeah, I keep it here anyway to make my collection look bigger. Pokemon Black version, again, I don't have white. This is my brother's. Yeah. Heart Gold, this is mine. I absolutely love it, but I'm finding it really hard. The reason why I haven't gotten most Pokemon games is because I'm still stuck on this. I don't want any help. I just want to see if I can do this all by myself. And then after this, I'll play Black or White, and then I'll play X and Y then. And now we get to my small little Game Boy games. And we have Metroid Fusion and Street Fighter 2 Super. They're both very fun. James Pond, codename RoboCop. That was a great game when I was growing up. I really enjoyed it. Shrek 2. I mean, it's a movie game based off a movie. What were you expecting? It's not very that good. But I tell you what is good. Harry Potter Quidditch World Cup. Yeah, it was really enjoyable. It was a little fun game if you like in the car and you got some time to spare. It's a great game. And Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Red Rescue Team. Again, I love the Mystery Dungeon games of Pokemon. And the only original Game Boy game I have is Pokemon Blue with the cover ripped off because people used to do that for some reason. This is probably like my first game was the yellow version, and both my brothers had the blue versions. I don't know what happened to my version, but we found blue years later, and here it is. There we go. There you go. That's my handheld. Ta-ra!